dozen.
Eggs are a bargain cousin, 'cause eggs are one of America's best food buys. Eggs are a bargain you can count on,
with savings as big as a
mountain. 'Cause eggs are one of America's best food buys. An incredible edible
boy.
The incredible edible egg.
It's more versatile than apples, smaller than IBMs, simpler than Radio Shacks. It's Decision Mate 5 from NCR. Its color graphics are unsurpassed. And it's made by a company whose computers have helped run the world's biggest businesses for over 30 years. If you're serious about a personal computer, this is the computer for you. NCR Decision Mate 5. It's a decision you'll never regret.
This amazing innovation from Subaru overcomes two problems: bad weather and the hassle of shifting gears. It combines the extra measure of safety and traction of on-demand four-wheel drive with the ease of an automatic transmission. Now there's four-wheel drive anybody can drive. Subaru, inexpensive and built to stay that way.
Hello. I was a dedicated blade shaver till my wife bought me this Remington microscreen shaver because it would shave as close as a blade or your money back. The first microscreen is so thin it shaves incredibly close. The second even closer. And Remington's American made. It costs less. Norelco's imported. It costs much more. I was so impressed, I bought the company. The Remington microscreen shaves as close as a blade or I'll give you your money back.
And the Lady Remington rechargeable, the perfect gift. Shaves without a cord.
Joan? Joan? What's wrong?
I was just thinking how great everything is. My life and you and the kids. I want it to last.
I'll make us some coffee.
Times like these are made for Taster's Choice.
The soft, rich flavor of Taster's Choice decaffeinated, using only natural decaffeinators from the bean itself for your best coffee times.
Last year, we asked our competition to pick the best personal computer based on price and memory. They all chose the Commodore 64. With all the changes in the computer industry, we thought we'd better check again. The new IBM personal computer chose the Commodore 64. The new Apple IIe chose the Commodore 64. The more things change, the more things stay the same. Trade in your home computer or video game now and save $100 on a Commodore 64.
When a heated situation is getting the best of you, take it from Dave Lennox. He'll show you how upgrading to a Lennox heat pump can cool things down in a hurry. And later, warm things up as well. Lennox can heat and cool your home with a 2-speed heat pump that runs slower during mild weather, cutting cooling costs by up to 39%. And that's going to keep you comfortable for a long time.
Attaboy, Dave.
Call your independent Lennox dealer. He's in the Yellow Pages.